I am going to explain part 3 periodic table. In this one, p block elements. Now, outermost valency electron enter into p subcell is called p block elements. Now, what does it mean by p block elements? Means the outermost electron enter into p subcell is called p block elements. These p block elements are present in right side of the periodic table. The periodic table, their right side is present. These group elements, group number will start from 13 to 18. And also another way also we can write with the Roman numbers. Third A to, they start from third A to 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A up to 8th A, 0. And 13th group elements are the number 13th group number is called as third A, and this third A is also called as boron family. And 14th group elements is represented as 4th A in the Roman number. These 4th A group elements are called as carbon family. And 15th group elements is represented as 5th A in the Roman number. These group elements are called also nitrogen or family or nicogen family. P is a silent, it is a nicogen family. And 16th group elements represented in the Roman number is 6th A. This is also called as oxygen family or chalcogens family, And 17th group elements are as 7th A group elements. This is a fluorine family or noble, that is a halogen family. Now 18th group elements is the 8th A. This is also what 0, noble gases, inert gases, rare gases. Now general electronic configuration of p block elements is ns2 np6. Now general electronic configuration of third A is ns2 np1, and 14th group element is ns2 np2. 15th group elements is ns2 np3, and 16th group elements is ns2 np4. Now 17th group is ns2 np4. 6th group is ns2 np5. It is np5. Now 8th group is ns2 np6. These are the valence electronic configuration of individual groups. Now, and valency also it is equal to 3, valency is equal to 4, valence is equal to 5, valence is equal to 6, 7. Now it is a 0 because of the completely filled electronic configuration. We should not call 8, it is a 0. Now I am going to explain that the next concept is D block elements. The differentiating electron enter into D subcell is called as D block element. What does it mean by D block elements? Differentiating electron enter into D subcell is called D block elements. These D block elements are present in the middle of the periodic table. What does it mean by that middle? They are present between P block and S block. That is between the P and S block. That is the middle of the periodic table. These D block elements, the group number will start from 3rd to 12 number. In Roman number, these group elements we can write as 1b, 2b, 3b up to 8b. Means all D block elements are metals. They are odd in nature. They are high melting point and boiling point also. Now these D block elements we can write as represent as n-1 d orbital, that is the outermost shell. Now the general electronic configuration of or outermost electron configuration of D block elements is ns2 n-1 1 2 d. Now these D block elements are further classified into series, 4 series. That is the first one is 3D series. It is also called as first transition series. The first transition series start from scandium 2. They start from scandium to atomic number 21 to zinc, and atomic number is 30. There 10 elements are present here to here. 10 elements present in this one, in this series. And 4D series, it is a also called as second transition series. These group elements start from yttrium 39 to cadmium 48. In this also they have 10 elements as present in the series. Each series. Now 5D series, it is also called as third transition series. The elements start from La and osmium to mercury, that is atomic number is 8. In this group also they have 10 elements are present. Now the fourth transition is the 3D series, 6D series. It is incomplete series. It is the fourth transition. It is a incomplete series. It is a incomplete transition series. Now I'm going to explain fourth one, that is F block elements. What does I mean by F block elements? The differentiating outermost valence electron enter into F subcell is called F block elements. These F block elements are present bottom of the periodic table. In these F block elements are related to their only sixth and seventh period of third B group elements. This is the reason these are called as inner transition. Their transition elements are present third B. In that one they are innerly present, that is inner transition elements. These F block elements are classified into two series, that is lanthanide series and actinide series. Now these lanthanide series also called as first inner transition series. This is called as first inner transition series. This series start from the elements, 14 elements are present from C is to lutetium, that is Ce to Lu. The atomic number is 58. In this one there are 14 elements are present. Next one, actinide series. It is a second inner transition series. The 14 elements are present. Elements from it is a Ce to 11. It is a 108 atomic number. And the general electronic configuration or outermost electronic configuration of F block elements is ns2, that is a ns2 n minus 1 to 0 to 1 n minus 2 1 to 14, that is the F. The n is a 6 and 7, that is we can write one more time writing, that is ns2 n minus 1 d 0 to 1 n minus 2 f 1 to 14 elements. That is the general electronic configuration of F block elements. Thank you, students.